Take away all the accessories. A large size restoration version. 2 handles. 4 display protection boards. There is a large bag of Anderson accessories, EV glue on one side or on the bottom. The restoration version is also one on each side. We make 24 volts 628. The battery is made of 314 cells. It's 8 strings and 2 parallel. And then place them. Follow our instructions to place them. Don't worry. And then, there is a yellow board in the middle of the battery. The other side is the same. Remember to check the batteries carefully and confirm that the direction is correct. It will be troublesome to take it out again because the battery is heavy. As long as you make one mistake, place the notch side up. Use black and C screws to fix it, so the holes will be aligned more accurately. Maybe the last 2 screws are hard to fix. The B cut is facing up. One long and one short. For the short one, fix it directly in the direction of B cut. P cut is connected to the longest line. It's better to fix the wire slightly diagonally. Wrap it with tape for insulation. Tear off the back glue of each one and stick it on the pressure strip. One on each side. Fix them all with black M4 screws. Remember to tighten the screws. Delete the connecting sheet. We make 8 strings in 2 rows. Connect 2 positive and 2 negative wires. Watch this video carefully, step by step. If you connect it wrong and short circuit, look carefully and do it step by step. Use N6 flange nuts to connect them all. Protect the net. The black one is the first one. The second one, normal. And the others, each string is basically connected to the positive pole. Be sure to see clearly, step by step. Then arrange the others in order. And you can do it. Be sure to check the wiring clearly, because if you connect it to the wrong position, when you insert the protection board. So this is very important. Finally, these 2 wires are combined into one. Tighten all the screws. The screws on the cable side. Use the winding tube to organize it all. It looks much more beautiful. It may not be easy to wrap. Fix the terminals first. Use the longest screw of M4 to fix it. There are 4 screw holes in total, and fix them all. Fix it diagonally. Close the cover. Fix the connecting piece of the air switch. Fix it. Fix the red wire on the other side. Pull it apart and put the bracket in. Press it in and lock it. Close the cover. Use the screws that come with the cover to tighten it. Fix the cigarette lighter hole. Tighten them all. Anderson 120 amps. Use the shortest N3 screw to fix it. The red one is connected to the plus sign. Connect it clearly. Anderson red wire is fixed to the orange terminal. Fix it with an 8 screw. Just press it in hard. Connect the monitor's cable first because it's hard to connect. Plug in the cable. Press it with your hand. Tighten them. Connect the temperature line. Temperature line. The temperature probe is attached to the battery. The temperature probe. Tighten both screws here. Cut this line of the protection board P directly to the negative pole of the battery. P key is connected to the total negative pole. The line cut by the protection board P is directly connected to Anderson, and fix it to the black terminal with an M8 screw. The output is the total negative pole air switch. Stick one temperature probe on each side of the battery. Just stick it with tape. Cover all the caps. Press the display for 5 seconds to activate it. Turn on the Bluetooth of your phone. Download the mobile user app in advance. There is a pairing password of 1234. Click on Parameter Settings. Ion lithium battery. Set it to 8000 and save. Set it to 628 and save. In fact, the default charging current is 200 amps. Charge and discharge balance, and don't open the others. The settings are done. Put the handles on, 2 on each side. Fix it with silver M4 screws. Stick the reduction board on this cover and cover it. Fix it with black edge wire screws. After installing the screws, the assembly is complete.